Oops. Okay. Morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today we are on the day number 21, right? Yes. So we can say we are entering on the week 5 now as of our course. So just one thing to be clear that this course may continue another for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I'm expecting that much the way we are driving it, but that's fine for me. Okay. So in the last week we discussed mainly about the request management. We see that what is the request catalog item, maintain item, workflows, sorry, not workflows, flows, different types of different things we can do in the flows. And now I'm going to be take you the second part of the catalog item. Okay. So if you remember that we discussed this thing, right? Maintain item. Here we can go and we can say, see, as a human being, we always need something different to be work out. Okay, I give you one example. Approximately 2 years or 3 years back, one of my relative was not well, so she was admitted in the hospital. So I went there with my parents to meet her. Okay. So other relatives who were outside, they give me a glass, they give me a water in the glass. I said no, I don't want to drink it. After a few minutes, maybe within 3 to 4 minutes, they bring the water again, but that time the bottle size is very tiny, like 100-150 ml maximum. And the bottle was built so beautifully. I said yes, I want to drink it now. So this is the reason that we need changes. Okay. So now if I say, guys, you have to be create item here, you can go here, you can create it. But do you think that Atul, do we have any other interface to do this particular part? But a boring lag raha, white, gray screen and all the things will be there. And in the beginning also we say that ServiceNow is moving to the next experience, right? It means we need something more in the next experience. So what we can say, ServiceNow introduce a new module only and only to build this catalog items, and that is called the catalog builder. This one. ठीक है. काम करने में there's a okay use करने में just 1 minute Amisha. If you want to be use it, there's a no difference. But if you want to just see look and feel, definitely there's a difference. Yes, Amisha, go ahead.
Like control is there's no type of control, and because in variable sets also I was when creating I have to go back and then go on the new button, same as was the with item and catalog.
It will same thing will be here as well, but here we don't call the variable, we call it as a question here. थोड़ा सा
No,
terms
no,
will
no,
be
no. It's not about like I want to create one variable I have created now to go for another variable. So
okay.
there's not to come on the same new page. There's not like control n.
No,
So
no,
that
no, no.
I'll
There is a no control end. If you want to see, I can show you something with service and reduce here. You can
because
go in.
that is very tricky process. The
Yes, and you can see
lengthy
here
process.
if something that work out for you. These are the shortcut keys.
Okay.
So if you want to be come back on the new, definitely don't click on the save, click on the update. Then it will take on the back page.
Okay.
But no like control and is not, because it is not the same application. Like in the Word file, application is same always. You open the, if you control and it will open the multiple files. But how the system will know that I am in this module and now I want to be open some other module. So there is a no control and option here. Okay. ठीक है. Now let's come to the catalog builder. अच्छा लग रहा है इंटरफेस, ब्लू कलर व्हाइट कलर इज गुड कॉम्बिनेशन एंड इट इज द नेक्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस थिंग. Okay, that is the one part. Now I can see three things. My dashboard, if you want to create a new catalog item or you want to see latest updated catalog items here. Second, if you want to go here to see already built up catalog items जो already बनी हुई है ServiceNow ने दी है. And last is the catalog item templates. If you ask me as a Atul Grover individually, not as a trainer, not as a ServiceNow kind of a person, I will say that I'm not much happy with the catalog builder. The reason being, the base of the catalog builder is template, which I don't like personally. Template means, let's say Amisha open a new restaurant. Okay, after 2 years, she want to open another restaurant in some other city with the same name. Then what she will do? She will use the same template, menu template, and say, okay, guys, ये dishes वहाँ भी रहेंगी. We can use this word. After 1 year, she want to open another restaurant in some other city. So same template, she can use it. In that case, catalog builder is very much fine. But if you want to build a new catalog item from the scratch without template, then you cannot do in the catalog builder. That's the one. So if you notice here, there's a no new button. New button is here, but if you go and click on this, it will ask you the template first. और यहाँ पे skip नहीं कर सकते हम. In this wizard, we can't skip anything. ठीक है? So now what I do personally. So now the question comes, why template? ServiceNow says that why you want to do the rework again and again and again and again. Why not you create the template and modify the template as per your need? Okay, so what we will do now? Let's create a new template first. Okay, cross करते हैं, go here and create a new template. इसमें सिर्फ यही एक सबसे बड़ी चीज है और कुछ नहीं है, बाकी everything is almost same. Now two things, standard or required producer. For the time being, don't discuss this because this is our next topic we're going to discuss. Now put standard, continue. I want to create a template for the trainings. My template name, trainings, and I can put short description, this. Check. You want to put anything else? Template available for means who can use this template. If Amisha is not admin, but Amisha is admin, but she belongs from other department. Do I want to be used, or I want her to be used my template? I can say no or yes. So you can say browse. This is called the user criteria. Very, 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 very crucial thing, specifically in two areas: knowledge management and your catalog management or request management, I can say. This parameter decide to whom this will be available and to whom this will not be available. So if you go here and you can see, let me open my maintain item. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे क्लिक करते हैं, सर्च करते हैं CSA. ठीक, open this. I don't want to show this catalog item to the user who belong from the North America. I don't want to show this catalog item to them. Like I am working from UK, or maybe Harshal says I am working from India. Harshal, in Harshal's company, Harshal cannot order anything which is not from India location. They did not show that item to him, sorry. So how this can be hidden? There are the fields related list here. It's called available for and not available for. ये ना. Agar if you did not put anything in the available for, then this catalog item will be available for everybody. If you put in the not available for, except this group, this will be available for everybody. Check it. So you can do on the basis of the department, location, users, group, role, you can do that particular part. Okay, give a try on this particular thing. So now I want that everybody can use my catalog item. So I can say cancel. Now the details. Because this is a template, so this detail will be fixed. So I can say, let's say training catalog LNGP. Okay, short description I can put. You want some automatic attachment here that a user, when user open this catalog item, he should be able to see attachment. You can add it, and I can put the description here. ये हम वही कर रहे हैं, but it is a template only. Continue to the location. Location means under which category and catalog this will be available. So you can see here catalog and category. So I can put catalog. If I create any item by using this catalog, this particular template, then it should be available in the food industry, in the kits, in the LNG, and in the source and location. Under which category I want to be show. ध्यान रखना we are not creating the item, we are creating a template. So I want to show under this. I'm just putting a random one so that it is easy for us to traverse. Now question. Question means variable or variable set. So you can see here. Select question set. आपके already बने हुए question set है, variable set है. You can use that only. So you can see these options. Even though you can see ours option as well, LNG. Yeah. So we can use that. I want to be use this. Okay. Atul, can I create my own question? You can create. ये यहाँ पे benefit है देखो. यहाँ पे वो control N नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Insert question set चाहिए. अच्छा, oh my god, it means, oh, that's something new. Okay. Otherwise, maybe this is a change has been happened in the Washington DC release, because earlier there was the option called the question as well, question and question set. But now they are only asking for the question set, not the question. Must ask, actually, it should ask question as well. Okay, so again, one of the drawback I can see, but ServiceNow says why you want to create different variables. If you are creating a template, better use the variable set. Now come to the settings. By portal settings, hide button करना है कि नहीं करना है, सब चीजें you can do it here. Access. Who can access this particular catalog item? याद रखना ये जो यहाँ we see here, that is for the template. This is for the catalog item. So I'm not putting any available for or not available for here. Fulfillment. In this place, in this template, we can only add either flow or the workflow. No execution plan. So I say anybody who uses template must get this workflow attached every time. And now, important point. Amish has a question. Atul, you put a short description, the description training. If I am creating catalog item, I want to put SAP training. Rituja said, no, I want to put ServiceNow training. Harshal said, no, I want to put testing training. So here we can define that what field we should allow a user who is creating this, who's creating catalog item from this one can edit here. So I can click on the browse. And I can say a user can edit description. Okay. A user can edit short description. A user can edit, let's say, flow. ये category, ठीक है. And click save. And after that, review and submit. ये देखो. This is my item, and I'm going to. So this is my template. I'm going to be submitted. See, now my template is ready. I can go to my dashboard and click on the new catalog item, and I can click on the continue. And now I can take my template. कौन सा template था? All round trainings. And you want to use this? I said yes. Did you notice that you are able to see change only this? Because in our template, we mark this as a editable, and you can see this option. देखो ये भी editable है. क्यों? Because we said this. If you go here in the location, we can't edit this, but we can edit only these things. Because category was we put in the editable part. In the questions we can't do anything because we did not say anything. Then fulfillment. इसने flow करना चाहिए था, but नहीं किया flow. And then review and submit. And if I click on the submit, my catalog item will be generated. That is the only difference which we can say between the catalog builder and the maintain item. Doubt, question, clarification.
If we want to auto populate or do something, then we have to go to maintain item, not in the catalog builder.
Auto populate what?
Any variable, any question.
वो तो फिर वेरिएबल सेट से आएगा ना आपका. You can go to variable set and make a change.
We have to go there. That is not option in the catalog builder.
नहीं यहाँ पे नहीं है. Right.
Okay.
It is like a वो कहता ना compact disk. ये वैसा है. It is like that only.
Okay.
For the repetition of the work, you can use this.
Okay.
कि मुझे बार-बार ऐसे ही catalogs बनाने हैं. Clear, everybody? Rest. Okay. Now, move to the last section of this particular topic. If you see, when we submit a request, two records get generated, REQ and RITM. Okay? But there's another concept that is called the record producer. And let me give you a question for today. What is the difference between record producer and the catalog item? इसका actual and the basic difference ढूंढना. ठीक है? Record producer, as the name indicate, it is a kind of a catalog item only. ऐसा नहीं कि अलग है. It is a catalog item only. But the nature of this catalog item is little different. ठीक है? Like if I say it's very hot outside. If you give anybody the cold drink, like kind of a shikanji or nimbu pani kind of things, or like a lassi, that will give two things. One, it will clear your thirst and it will give you the coolness in your mind. But if instead of this, it's hot outside and you give a boiling water to anybody, it may impact the person. In the same manner, this record producer has a different nature of the work. इसका काम भी बिल्कुल अलग है. इसका to raise this, to build this is totally different. ठीक है? Record producer is a catalog item which create only one record at a given point of time in the in a table. Like if I go back here and open my portal. ठीक है? यहाँ आता, then go to the catalog. Because I say it is a catalog item, so it will be finding in the, you will find in the catalog item only, catalog only. Browse by categories. And here I can go, can we help you? The best example, if you are appearing for the interview, they will ask, what is catalog, what is record producer? And everybody say record producer is a catalog item which generate one record at a given point of time. And incident is the one of the record producer, create incident. ठीक है? ये भी वेरिएबल ही है. ये भी वेरिएबल ही है. How we can create this? That is the number one part. Second, यहाँ पर आपको कोड करना पड़ता है रिकॉर्ड प्रोड्यूसर में. In the catalog item we don't code it much. So come back here, and I can create the record producer from the catalog builder as well. And I can search for the record producer here, and I can search for the incident. ये है मेरा record producer. If you are working in a company and you're working in the request management, तो ये दोनों आपके bread butter हैं, record producer और the catalog items. इनके बिना काम ही नहीं होता वहाँ पर. ठीक है? It says which table you want to be create this record. Incident, change, problem, request, knowledge. Let me give another point. आज whose turn is his Mac is absent today. ठीक है, Sunita, take a question for today. First question to be get a difference between record producer and the catalog item and order guide. 3 terms per difference. Second, find an answer. Can I build a record producer on any table? यहाँ पर any table is very crucial thing. So you have to think about this. When I'm saying any table, it has some meaningful discussion in the background. Can I create a record producer on any table? Now you have to give a try on any table. Okay, so I can put the table name here. State and checkout, we can leave it as a blank. And here we can say, create an incident to report this. Here. It is coming from here. Okay, this is my description. Request assistance. Yeah. And these are my variables. घबराओ मत इसको देख के. These are my variables. But now the question comes, Atul, variable आप बात कर रहे हो, but incident table also has a what I can say, urgency, short description. So if you create a variable, can we map this variable to the any field in ServiceNow table? Yes, we can do this part. This is kind of a benefit of the record producer. So if I go here, यहाँ तो 4 हैं, यहाँ तो 2 हैं, ऐसा क्यों? Anybody, any idea? Anybody, any idea?
Repeat करना please, कौन सा?
In the catalog page, sorry, in the portal, we have 2 variables, right?
Mm-hmm.
But on the record producer, we have 4 variables. बाकी 2 कहाँ हैं?
Because these are the ये जो search और AI search है, these are the custom actually. मतलब
तो
we don't need that to build create a ticket actually.
तो फिर यहाँ क्यों रखे हमने? मेरे घर में कोई छोटा बच्चा नहीं है, बट मेरे पास अभी भी छोटे बच्चे के कपड़े पड़े हैं. फिर क्यों रखूँ मैं अपने घर में? My birthday after 5 months, but still I have a cake at my home because मेरा birthday अभी है 5 महीने बाद. Why should I keep it? क्या कहते हो मिशा?
No idea.
Battery 70%. Connected.
अन्वेषणा क्या कहते हैं?
No idea, Atul.
सुनीता. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है. These 4 variables are there on the catalog item as well, on the portal page as well. But the thing is that their working is a little different. I'll show you. ठीक है? Now don't blame me. ये रहा आपका contextual search. Actually, these things are in the ITSM training. We have a complete coverage that how we can build this contextual search. ठीक है? ये contextual search है, and AI search is also with the same only. If you search something on this catalog item or this put any words, it use the AI search. But in the PDI, AI search did not work because we don't have a sufficient data and don't have a proper engines in the background which can support there. ठीक है? So if variable is there, definitely it will be in use. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि नहीं use में नहीं होंगे. ठीक है? So this is your contextual search. जब context में डालते हो उसके related जो search आता है, that is the thing. Now if I open this urgency.
सर एक बार रिपीट करना सर, ये थोड़ा आवाज कट रहा है.
So
why?
if you put anything in the description field and you tab out, a search result will be open. ये जो आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, right?
Okay.
This is called the contextual search. जो context में जाके आप search करते हैं, that is called the contextual search. And we did not build this. It is already available out of the box. Sorry, on the back page. It is already available in the incident form. I want to let me show you. देखो ये भी वही है. Email. See. ठीक. Or if I put it something here. शायद उसको ओवरराइड कर चुका है इसलिए वो नहीं आ रहा. So this is also a contextual search. But how to configure? What are the parameters? This is part of the ITSM trainings. Even not in ServiceNow admin training as well. This is not be shown or tell that how these things are coming. Okay. So now if I come here, you can see this box. If I create a new variable, go ahead please.
हाँ सर ये जो सर्च है ना कंटेक्चुअल सर उसका एक क्वेश्चन था. ओके
बोलो.
सर वहां पे हर जहां हम सर्च कर रहे हैं उसका हर एक का केवी बन जाता है क्या? मतलब
नहीं.
व्हाट वी फील्ड.
No. It only go and search in the KBs, but don't create any KB automatically.
ओके.
ठीक है. तो that is I'm saying that these are the things which is even not the ServiceNow admin training we discuss. This is completely in the ITSM where we discuss that how this has been built up. ये कहाँ से आ रहे हैं? Can I rename this? Can I change this drop down as well? तो वो ठीक है. So now if I create any variable, because this time I am creating a record directly in that table and I want this variable value should go in that table only. So हमने we tick this box called map to field. मैंने कहा map to field करना है, किस में करना है? Urgency field में करना है incident table के लिए. Because table is coming from the यहीं से आ रहा है table, right? If you see. हो जाओ open. If you see that incident table is coming from the parent only. So here we define that which field ये रहा. ठीक है. तो वो. And then you can say okay. And if you see this thing in the bottom, it is using the choice. Type specification. कहाँ गया इसका choice? कहाँ से पिकअप कर रहा है ये? Create auto populate permission. अरे where the choice is gone? Notation type specification. हाँ ये रहा. There. Choice table, incident choice table. What it's saying? Go to incident, pick up the urgency field और उसी की choices को लेके आ जाओ यहाँ पर. तो वो वही choices को लेके आ गया. You want to add none? Yes, add none as well. Include none. ठीक है. If you want to search more, ये आपके variable attributes है. Remember, nothing नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. You can create your own variables as well. Sorry, on attributes as well. ठीक है. Same thing goes for the. If I go back. Yes. Okay. अरे यार. Let me update this record. It will go on the back page automatically. So if you see this, the same thing is applicable here as well. This has been mapped to the. देखो उसने बोला comments के साथ map कर दो. ये urgency के साथ map करो and map this to the comments. Now let create a incident. यहाँ से. ठीक है. Hi. Hello. LNG trainings not work. ठीक है. You want to add anything? You can add. Otherwise, click on the submit. This is called the summary page. ठीक है. And this is coming from the standard ticket configuration. ठीक है. Standard ticket configuration. You can go to the application navigator and you can see that what is standard ticket configuration and you will find that part. Copy. Come back here. Search. Open. Leave. Now get ready for the questions. See this particular form. Looks good. Looks okay.
Yeah.
Good. Now come back here. Did we put anything like category? No. Yes or no? Did you put anything of the contact type?
No.
Did you put anything on the description, the short description?
Description.
बोलो yes or no?
No, no.
फिर ये कहाँ से आए हैं? Did you put the impact?
No.
Yes or
So
no?
No, no. That I think that come from template.
That come from the
Template.
template तो हमने बनाया ही नहीं इसका.
इसका default template होगा कोई.
नहीं होगा default template, no.
ये आया था.
What do you think, Amisha, Anvesha, Sunita?
I think they're mapped. You are given the issue ना.
हाँ ठीक है.
LOL.
हाँ तो मैप हो गया ना, ये एक मैप हो गया, ये एक मैप हो गया, बट बाकी कहाँ से?
And
Contact
urgency
type,
high we
category
have
तो-
given, yes. So
ठीक है,
maybe
फिर
something
कहाँ से?
default.
ये कहाँ से आया कैटेगरी? ये कहाँ से आया कॉन्टैक्ट? सुनीता, अन्वेषा.
Probably the system
Just-
admin role, as in the name
Ah.
which you have given, it is already set field for this.
Very good. I'm only your friend. Can you give me your admin rights at your home? अतुल जाओ, पूरा घर आपका है, जो मर्जी करो. Can you give me the rights? Not possible, right? Role only work for the visibility that you can do this work. This is the question coming in the discussion sometime. A lot of people message me, ping me, and call me as well sometime, and say that I want to be learn service now. My first question to those guys: are you using service now? And almost says 70-80% say yes, I'm using service now. I'm working as a change manager, so I log a change, I move the change, I update the change. It means you know the service now. Then people ask me, Atul, what different you do in the service now? I said the difference is that when you click on this button, something happen. And I am the person who tell my developer team that if I click on this button, then what should be happen? Same thing is applicable here. I'm sure that like Sunita, you are not Sunita, Anvesha, you're working in ServiceNow domain for a long time. You're in the company now. Harshal, maybe you're using it. The thing is that Atul, ये तो मैं काफी टाइम से देख रहा हूँ. Instant generate होता है, ये value आते हैं. But now the question come from where these values are coming. This is what as a BA we have to be think. As a consultant we have to be think. Doctor know that this person is not well, but he or she want to know that why this is be happening, from where this is be happening. So now let's go back to the record producer. And in the record producer, this is the area. We can do two things here. I'll not go much on this part, ठीक है, क्योंकि इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं. Accessibility है, that's fine. Under which category, subcategory you can see, that's fine. ठीक है, generate record you can put a template as well if you want. Photo settings you can do. Nothing much to be worried here for me. ठीक है. Question is this. यहाँ पे. In the record producer, we have to be write a code actually. ठीक है. In this code, I'll talk very simple layman language words. The things which are able to see, ये जो आ रही हैं, ये और ये. It can be come from the record producer or it can be come from the client script. Let me show you. ठीक है. उसने बोला user ID जो है उसको कॉलर में डाल दो. gs.get user ID put in the collar. डाल दिया. ठीक है. कोई पेरेंट मैपिंग नहीं है, ठीक है, छोड़ दिया. मैप नेक्स्ट रिक्वेस्टेड फॉर फील्ड, ये था. इफ वी हैव एनी रिक्वेस्टेड फॉर फील्ड दैट आल्सो नीड टू बी मैप समवेयर. ठीक है. एंड कम ऑन दिस पॉइंट. देखो ये रहा. सेट द कॉन्टैक्ट टाइप एज अ सेल्फ सर्विस. ये यहां से आ रहा है. ये वी हैव कोडेड हियर. कॉलर को करंट कॉलर आईडी में डाल दो, इसमें डाल दो. ये ना prod command string produce plus dot comments plus. अगर 80 से ज्यादा है तो उसको सब स्ट्रिंग कर दो, क्योंकि आई विल टेक ओनली 80 काउंट्स हियर. सो आई एम डूइंग दिस पार्ट. लेकिन डिस्क्रिप्शन में सब कुछ डाल दो. इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन पुट एवरीथिंग. अगर 80 से ज्यादा तो भी यहाँ डाल सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मुझे. ठीक. And then this thing. Now only one thing which is pending is that from where this is becoming category. ये आप लोग ढूंढना कहाँ से आ रहा है कैटेगरी. ऑप्शंस क्या हो सकते हैं? एनी क्लाइंट स्क्रिप्ट, एनी लुकअप, एनी असाइनमेंट रूल. These can be the things you can go and search it. अगर डाउट लगे, go here and click on this and see what scripts it is calling, and you can use that scripts, check the scripts and find the answer. But in the record producer, we can create only one record at a given point of time in a one table. Question.
Why they set up? Not getting. Why they
Why
predefined it?
Which one not predefined it?
Means channel to self-service and caller to system administrator. Why? What is the need to predefine it?
अच्छा, ठीक है. Let me put a question to you. ठीक है. It is our first time we connected, right? Amisha got my number from someone, and Amisha says or message me on the WhatsApp, "Hi Atul, Amisha this side." Right? Why you tell me your name?
So that you can get information about me.
At least I should know that who are you? Because I'm getting a unknown number message, right? I am working in this department or the industry. You want to give me more information. At least the minimum information which is required for me to connect back to you. Okay, Amisha, you are calling. Okay, you are from this department. Tell me how I can help you. Maybe if you say I am from the finance department. Sorry, I have no relationship with the finance department. मैं आपकी बात भी नहीं सुनूंगा. So these are the value which we need to generate the record. How you as an incident manager will know that from where this incident has been created? From the mobile app, कि यूजर आपकी दुकान पे आया था या आपके लैब में आया था, और your store it came, or it use a portal, it send an email. By which way? If your internet is not working, you can send an email to Vodafone or the Airtel @.com and say, hey, my internet is not working, and you get a instant number in the return, right? How they will know that in a month we are getting these many issues from the email, these many issues from the portal? ये contact type define करता है, help करता है. So chat, email, phone, self service, virtual agent, walk-in. I have few contacts who always connect me on the chat. They never call me. उनको मैं कितने बोल रहा है कॉल पे बात कर लेना, नहीं तुमसे चैट पे बात कर लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. And my wife says ये तो बहुत बिजी रहते हैं जब देखो फोन पे. And there's a few friends who always call me, don't chat me. जब देखो कॉल पे लगे रहते हैं. So these are the contacts which help me to understand that from where I am getting more incidents from a long-term perspective.
Okay.
Voice का.
Sir,
In a
in
month,
service
let's say
now,
in a month I'm getting 2. Good.
सर इन सर्विस नाउ ऐसा कोई प्रोविजन नहीं है क्या कि एग्जैक्टली ये टिकट किसने क्रिएट किया, हु इज द सबमिटर ऑफ द टिकट?
अरे ये ना कॉलर.
इट कैन बी अभी कॉलर, अगर मैं कोई ऐसा this ticket raise किया service request, how caller can be changed ना, but sir exactly मैं वो पूछ रहा हूँ कि caller can be changed at any time.
हाँ हो सकता है ना. My phone is not working. I told to Amisha, can you call to bank and say can you call to my manager and say Atul is a little late because his phone is not working. दो thing है. अगर if you notice this part, if I go and submit it again, you can see requested for कि कौन कर रहा है और किसके behalf पे कर रहा है. So you can change the requested for. Provision है ना. You can bring the requested for. Did you notice this thing? यहाँ पर ये वर्ड देखो, ये रिक्वेस्टेड फॉर फील्ड, क्योंकि हमारे केस में दोनों सेम है. ट्राई करके देखना. रेज इंसिडेंट, पुट द रिक्वेस्टेड फॉर सम डिफरेंट पर्सन नेम, एंड देन सी whose name is appearing here. ठीक है. So contact type help me to find out. So I was giving example. Let's say in a month I'm getting 2,000 incidents. I prepare a report that out of 2,000, 500 are from email, 200 are from the self-service, 300 from the chats. ठीक है. Just a small figure we'll say. I as the incident manager is thinking, यार चैट पे 300 टिकट जनरेट हो रहे हैं, जहां पर मेरा एजेंट को कॉट बैठ के माय एजेंट हैव टू सिट एंड टाइप इट. इट इज टू मच टाइम कंज्यूमिंग. नहीं. फाइंड आउट द रीजन दैट व्हाई देयर इज अ 300 इंसिडेंट्स ऑन द वाया चैट. उनका डिस्क्रिप्शन निकालिए आप लोग. ये जो कंसेप्ट होते हैं ना, ये ऑटोमेशन, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, इट इज नॉट लाइक ऐसे किया और हो गया. नहीं, these require the study. क्योंकि मैंने I practically work in this domain in the transformation part. I go and sit with at least 10 to 20 agents. उनका टाइम मोशन स्टडी टेस्ट किया हमने बैठ के. And then we find out, no, these incidents, these categories, these issues can be auto remediation mode or can be self-service mode. A user should not raise a talk to chat for these kind of issues. So if you are a consultant, you should not think only for the immediate solution. You have to be thinking from the long-term solution. If you are taking a house now, like we are all from a middle class family. हम लाइफ में एक बार घर लेते हैं और सोचते हैं बस घर ले लिया, now we are done with this part. हमारे बच्चे देखेंगे, उनके बच्चे देखेंगे को क्या करना है, घर लेना नहीं लेना. So we take a house for the next 30-40 years कि जब तक हम जिंदा हैं तब तक तो ये घर हमारा रहे, हमारे पास रहे, हम रहें इस घर में. Same concept applicable here. मैं ये नहीं कहता कि being a consultant you have to think for the 40 years. At least for the next 5 to 8 years you have to think it कि how we can optimize it. ठीक है, इसलिए कॉन्टैक्ट टाइप फिक्स किया जाता है. कैटेगरी अगर कुछ नहीं है तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि किस कैटेगरी में इंसिडेंट रेज हो रहा है, राइट? सो वी आर पुटिंग अ डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू हियर. ठीक, तो दिस इज अ कंसेप्ट ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड प्रोड्यूसर. डाउट, क्वेश्चन, क्लैरिफिकेशन? ओके, गुड. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन, लास्ट टॉपिक. Amisha is a teacher. Okay, in the March-April, it's a peak working hours for Amisha. School admissions are going on, kids are coming, parents are coming. मैम ये क्लास में क्या है, admission, school, transport, fees, books, uniform, periods, teachers, everything is there. ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, कोई नहीं. Now if she need to do 5 things for one admission, then it is a problematic work for her. 5 things मतलब कि if I am a student who is getting admission in a school, उसका registration करना, admission form fill करना, update करना, transport arrange करना, class set करना, and finally I-card. Any student who take admission in my school in any of the class has to go with these 5 steps. अब 2 तरीके हैं करने के. या तो Amisha will pick up list of students, पहला टास्क, list of students, second task, list of students, third task. पूरा दिन खत्म. That is called the donkey work. मतलब she need to be raised 5 different requests for the 100 of students. मतलब कि अगर हर बच्चे के लिए 5 है तो उसको 500 बार काम करना पड़ेगा. नहीं है तो ये तो नहीं होगा, पॉसिबल नहीं है. सेकेंड ऑप्शन, cannot we bundle everything in a one go. If you go to the restaurants और जो ये आपके 5 stars है, 7 stars रहते हैं, वहाँ पर 2 चीज़ों का कंसेप्ट चलता है. एक होता है अला कार्ट. Not sure that I'm pronouncing it right. अला कार्ट और अला कार्ट people says because it's ATE they mention है, ऊपर डंडा भी लगता है. ठीक है, अला कार्ट और अला कार्ट है, और एक होता है बुफे. ठीक है, अला कार्ट मीन्स यू कैन पिक अप योर ओन डिश. बुफे सब बिछा हुआ, जाओ और खाओ. ठीक है. सो इन सर्विस नाउ, इन रिक्वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, वी हैव अ कंसेप्ट कॉल्ड द ऑर्डर गाइड. Order guide is nothing. Buffet क्या है? Buffet nothing is. Buffet is the collection of the a la carte only. वही options आपको a la carte में मिल रहे हैं, but same thing you're getting in the buffet as well. ठीक है? In the same manner, in order guide, we are bringing together the different catalog items at a one place. ठीक है? Let's show you here. Come back. Home. Catalog and browse by categories. ठीक है, and let's go back here and let's search here. New hire. ठीक है, this is my order guide. ठीक है, now let's say Anvesha is joining a new company, or Smita is joining a new company. ठीक है, Amisha as a HR want to be raise a request that she need one laptop, she need one desk, she need one mobile phone, she need the email ID and everything will be there. So what Amisha will do? Amisha will come here and she will raise a request. This standard form, order guide. Who is the hiring manager? Let's say I'm putting hiring manager is Arav Jain. What person is joining in this group? She is joining in the HR department. Okay. Is she will be a remote employee? No. It means she will be sitting or he will be sitting in the office only. I said yes. ये क्या है? Variables है. Nothing new. What office they will report? Definitely कोई ना कोई location तो होगा ना. So they will report in the this one. Is your employee need anything non-standard? I said no. ठीक है. अभी यहाँ पर देखना फर्क पड़ेगा. I click on the next. All these four are my different catalog items. Doubt है तो यहाँ जाके देख लेना maintain item में. Go here and search it. इन चार नाम से आपको मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है. My employee don't require a standard laptops. हटा दो, नहीं चाहिए उसको. My employee need a only a monitor. ठीक है, वो चाहिए. एक मिनट, क्या चाहिए? आपकी बॉक्स में देखो ना, उसमें देखो होगा. ठीक है. नीड इट. ओके. कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन भरना, नहीं भरना. ठीक है. डेफिनेटली माई एम्प्लॉय नीड ईमेल आईडी. यस. और देखो ये मैंडेटरी भी है. ईमेल आईडी इज a.b@lng.com. Did the employee need a VPN? Corporate VPN? I said no. ठीक है. Now one thing, one use case. Let go back. ये सारा खेल ना सिर्फ एक concept that is called as a rule based, उसका है सारा खेल. If I say yes, my employee need a non-standard thing. Yes. Is he a developer or just sales guy? He is a sales guy. Okay. What mobile he need or she need? iPhone. Next. अब देखो. To monitor चला गया. This is also get added. This is called the order guide. If you submit this order guide, इस केस में एक REQ होगा और बाकी RITM होंगे. मैं इसका प्रैक्टिकल नहीं करूंगा. I'll show you the rule based only. प्रैक्टिकल आप लोग करेंगे इसका. Submit this request. ठीक है, फिल करके सबमिट करो अपना डिटेल्स. Go here and submit it, and you will get one REQ and multiple RITM. RITM will work on the base of the workflow attached to these RITM. Order guide का अपना कोई workflow नहीं होता है. Clear. Order guide don't have any its own workflow. It only use the or it work only on the respective RITMs workflow only. तो उसमें तो कोई change हमारा नहीं है. We are not changing anything there. Now the concept is that अतुल ये कहाँ से आया सारा कुछ? ये जो आपने खेला अभी यहाँ पे. Let's come back here. Order guide is also one type of the catalog item only, and we can go here for the order and order guides. New hire is my order guide name. अब वो सब पुराने दिन हो गए कि ये हम देखेंगे ये क्या है वो क्या, सब आपके लिए इजी स्टेप है. You can see. Okay, one more thing. I am giving you a homework. See, maybe someone will feel sad. अतुल, come on, आप ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हो, आप आधा काम नहीं करते, आधा काम हमारे ऊपर डाले, तो because this is not like class first और class second, जहाँ पर हमें स्पून फीडिंग करना पड़े हर एक का. I tell to Amisha, okay, Amisha, click on this button, Anvesha, click on this icon, Asmita, click on this icon, select on this. No, it is a platform. It is a platform. In these sessions, I am giving you the boundaries. और आपको उस बाउंड्रीज के बाहर जाके काम करना है. Cascade variable, you can see few variables here, like इस पेज पर आपको variables दिख रहे हैं. ये if I want to use these variables in the upcoming form as well, यहाँ पर भी अगर मुझे चाहिए, ठीक है, then we use the cascade one. Tick this box and see what will happen. Very simple. Now come back here. ये सब ठीक है, सिंपल है. डिस्क्रिप्शन, मेटा टैग्स, आइकन वाइकन सब आप देख सकते हो. नथिंग टू बी वरी. ठीक है, ये भी हो जाएगा. कम बैक, कम टू हियर. दिस इज द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ दिस, द क्रंच ऑफ ऑर्डर गाइड. ठीक है, and that is the reason I take approximately 4 to 5 days to complete this big topic. ठीक है, ये हमारे हैं variables. Now Amisha can be very smart. अतुल variable set क्यों नहीं बनाया? Right Amisha? ज्ञान तो बहुत दे रहे. variable set बना लो, variable set बना लो. Very valid question. The only thing is that it depends on the business use case. Are you going to use this variable set in the another order guides as well? Maybe no. अब रिसोर्स ऑनबोर्ड हो गया, उसको प्रोजेक्ट एलोकेट करना है. एंड फॉर द प्रोजेक्ट एलोकेशन आई डोंट रिक्वायर हिज कॉर्पोरेट, आई डोंट रिक्वायर मे बी हिज बॉस नेम और मे बी हिज एम्प्लॉय आईडी, आई जस्ट रिक्वायर्ड हिज कॉर्पोरेट आईडी. तो मैं अगर सबको वेरिएबल सेट बनाऊंगा तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा मेरे लिए. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द वेरिएबल्स. इस पे कोई डिस्कशन नहीं है हमारा, बिकॉज दिस इज कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. यू नो हाउ वी कैन बिल्ड दिस पार्ट. ठीक है, कहानी है यहाँ की, क्योंकि सास भी कोई भी बहुत ही सेम थिंग. These are the independent items as well, and now these are bundled in an order guide. If you open this and you can see this, वो कह रहा है कि the system is saying order guide name is new hire. If this condition is true, standard package is no. आ जाओ यहाँ पर. Standard package is no. Will your employee need anything non-standard? I said no. तो ये कंडीशन मैट हो गई. और द टाइप इज सेल्स. अभी हाइड तो सेल्स भी नहीं होगा इसके साथ, तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये पूरा कंडीशन फॉल्स हो गया. तो स्टैंडर्ड लैपटॉप शो कर दो इसको. ये रूल बेस यहां पर चल रहा है. लेट मी शो अनदर एग्जांपल. लेट्स से नो एंड यस. देखो, इट्स ए नो, सॉरी, नॉन स्टैंडर्ड इज यस एंड इट्स ए सेल्स. अगर मैं ये करता हूं यस और सेल एंड गो टू द नेक्स्ट, कौन सा आ रहा है? स्टैंडर्ड लैपटॉप कार्बन. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? स्टैंडर्ड लैपटॉप. कार्बन तो है ही नहीं, लेकिन इसका नाम है क्या? कुछ कार्बन करके नहीं है. इट मीन्स अवर कंडीशंस आर डूइंग वेरी वेल. लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल. Let me close these two as well. ठीक है, come back on the rule based. Yes, अब देखो ये डेवलपर मैकबुक. क्या कंडीशन है इसकी? Let me load completely. देखो, लैपटॉप टाइप इज डेवलपर. Let's go back. सेल्स का नहीं, डेवलपर. अच्छा, ठीक है, और कुछ कंडीशन? बस. स्टैंडर्ड पैकेज यस है, यस. Actually, it should be standard, not anything non-standard. It should be standard. क्योंकि will your employee need anything non-standard? अगर मैं बोलता हूँ हाँ, non-standard हाँ, it should be actually the word is wrong here. It should be standard. Otherwise, condition contradict होंगी. और I'm thinking wrong. अमीशा क्या कहती हैं आप? Is this word right or I'm taking the wrong conditions? देखना इसको, शायद मुझे लग रहा है वर्ड्स ना गलत है यहाँ पर. शुड बी स्टैंडर्ड और अदर शुड अपोजिट थिंग्स. ठीक है. सो इफ लैपटॉप टाइप इज डेवलपर, इट इज एंड कंडीशन. एंड स्टैंडर्ड पैकेज इज यस, तो डेवलपर मैकबुक होगा. अब देखो, यस एंड डेवलपर, एंड यू कैन गो एंड सी इट इज आस्किंग फॉर द मैकबुक. बट ये तो हमने बताया नहीं था. नाउ सी व्हाट इज द कंडीशन फॉर दिस वन. गो बैक. ये रहा. इसकी क्या कंडीशन है? ये रहा. लैपटॉप टाइप इज डेवलपर. अगर डेवलपर है तो उसको मॉनिटर तो देना ही देना है. सो दिस इज अ रूल बेस्ड थिंग. द only difference is that if now the thing is that Atul, let's have a question. Atul, under my request I have 5 items. ठीक है. If one item get rejected, बाकी 4 का क्या होगा? बाकी 4 पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Rest 4 will be continued by the same manner. Rest 4 will be continued with the same manner because the flow is working on the RITM level, not on the order guide level. Clear? Doubt? Question? Clarification? पूछिए.
Workflow will be work on order guide, not order guide.
Workflow will be on the RITM level. Yes.
RITM.
Simple. I told you earlier. You have a à la carte. Now you have a buffet. अब बुफे में जाके चाहे आप एक प्लेट में एक आइसक्रीम खाओ या 5 प्लेट में 5 आइसक्रीम खाओ, डजंट मैटर. यू हैव टू पे द सेम थिंग ओनली. तो वो हिसाब है यहाँ पर. क्लियर? अन्वेषा, ऋतुजा, सुनीता, अमीशा.
So RITM के ही यूजर, RITM से ही C टास्क बनने वाला है, करेक्ट?
That is basic fundamental. Yes. I am again repeating my words. Order guide just is a term. It has no impact or effect on the RITM or the SC task or the workflow or the flow. इस पे किसी का फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. इस पे किसी का फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. गुड डैडी, नानू है क्या? नानू है? नानू है क्या? नानू. अच्छा ठीक है. एनी क्वेश्चन? एक मिनट रुकना गाइस. ठीक है. क्लियर? ट्राई टू क्रिएट वन ऑर्डर गाइड और उसमें जितनी मर्जी आप आइटम्स डालो, नो प्रॉब्लम. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू डिफाइन द रूल बेस्ड. जितने मर्जी वेरिएबल डालो, वेरिएबल सेट डालो, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. इट विल वर्क फॉर यू. ठीक है. सो नाउ विद दिस, नहीं राधे श्याम जी का. ठीक है. So now let's repeat this in a quick manner. ठीक है. So we started with the request service catalog and the request management. Under that we discuss majorly catalogs, categories and items. Item can be your catalog items. Items can be your record producer. Items can be your order guides. Then we discuss about the variable and the variable set under that. एक कंसेप्ट और है जो यूआई पॉलिसीज का, उसको छोड़ते हैं अभी, क्योंकि जब हम when we go for the scripting, then we will do this particular part. Okay. Then we discuss about the flow designers, where we have different type of triggers, actions, flows, and the flow logics. We discuss on that particular part. And we done on the portal as well, portal configuration, portal branding, portal pages, portal widgets. We have discussed that particular part. With this, we have concluded our major chunk of a bigger topic, service request, service catalog, and the request management now. Now expectation is that you guys should able to create a good catalog items. Like I saw few of you already creating the foods industry or the clothing, kids clothes and all. Try to create a good flows as well. And use that one, use your catalog items with my catalog item, other catalog items to make a catalog builder as well on that particular part. Okay, doubt, question and clarification, guys.
I just want to know that is there any portal which is developed by a ServiceNow, live portal?
Yeah, na. Live portal, what
Not
means live portal?
not ServiceNow, like it is a APAS. So any other application, it's not from the ServiceNow, which is based on the ServiceNow.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं मिलेगा आपको. It's because it's again it is recommended that never ever tell your technology to your customers. तो बहुत मुश्किल है पता करना ही. Even though you can see on the ServiceNow side, you can see their partner, their customers, but ये देखना कि what part they're using is very tough.
Okay. And also, is there any handy notebook or book, because it is very tough to open every time laptop and practice on with kid, because he also says I also want to use the laptop. So
handy book का क्या करोगे?
we
पढ़ोगे?
can read rules and everything, or we can go to the theory.
Practice is the best thing.
Okay.
Practice करो, docs पढ़ो, committee पर जाओ. That's the only thing you can learn a lot.
Okay.
ठीक है जी. चलिए, let me take a quick attendance now and stop the recording.